Meaning of hackney cab.
Hackney cab.
Hackney cab.
Hackney cab.
Hackney cab. A hackney cab is a type of taxi that is licensed to pick up passengers on the street and take them to their destination for a fee. The name Hackney comes from the village of Hackney in London, where carriages were first leased out for hire in the 17th century. These carriages eventually evolved into motorized cabs in the 20th century and became a common sight on the streets of major cities worldwide. Today, the term hackney cab is mostly used in the UK to refer to the traditional black taxis that operate in London.